Are you tired of meditating for hours, reading countless spiritual books, and still feeling stuck? What if I told you that your spiritual practice might actually be holding you back? In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to reveal 5 hidden reasons why your spiritual efforts aren't working. And trust me, number 4 will blow your mind. Stay until the end for a transformative technique that could change everything. Hey spiritual seekers, I'm Mitch Deutsch, lifelong spiritual seeker, and I've spent years guiding people through their spiritual journeys. I've seen countless seekers struggle with the same issues you're facing right now. But here's the thing, the problem isn't you, it's these hidden roadblocks that no one talks about. Today we're going to uncover them together. Let's now explore the 5 hidden reasons your spiritual practice might be failing. The comparison trap. You're constantly comparing your progress to others or to some idealized version of spirituality. This creates frustration and blocks your unique journey. Here's a quick fix. Start a spiritual wins journal. Write down one small spiritual victory each day, no matter how tiny. The next fix is called spiritual bypassing. It's when you're using spirituality to avoid dealing with real-life problems or emotions. For every spiritual practice, pair it with a practical action in your daily life. Meditating on compassion. Follow it up by calling a friend who needs support. Problem number 3 is inconsistency. Your practice is sporadic, leading to a lack of momentum and progress. Use the 2-minute rule. Commit to just 2 minutes of practice daily. It's so easy you can't say no, and often you'll do more. Now, here's the 4th fix. The mind-blowing one I promised. You might be using practices that don't align with your personal energy or life stage. Quick fix. I've included a link below so that you can discover practices that resonate with your current life phase and energy. The 5th and last problem, spiritual seeker and hunter, is that you're treating spirituality as separate from your daily life instead of integrating it into every moment. The quick fix? Create mindful triggers. Choose 3 daily activities, like brushing teeth, opening doors, or drinking water, and use them as reminders to practice presence. Now, as promised, here's the transformative technique that could revolutionize your practice. The 5-5-5 method. 5 minutes of gratitude, 5 minutes of breath-focused meditation, and 5 minutes of intentional visualization. Do this every morning for 21 days, and I guarantee you'll see a shift in your spiritual journey. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more spiritual insights. Share your biggest takeaway in the comments. I read and respond to every single one. And remember, your spiritual journey is unique. Embrace it, nurture it, and watch as your practice transforms from frustration to fulfillment. Until next time, keep seeking, keep growing, and stay wonderfully you. And if you need more help with accelerating your own spiritual journey, click on the links below for further help and advice. Namaste, my friends.